Hello my friends, how are you? I hope you are all best. Welcome to my channel. So in this my content, my topic today about which I define my topic and discuss about uh, boiling point. What is boiling point? I am completely define about info in this my content info about boiling point. But first of all, if you are new my channel, so also please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so I start my topic about boiling point. When a liquid is heated, its molecules gain energy. The number of molecules which have more than average kinetic energy increases. More and more molecules become energetic enough to overcome to intermolecular forces. Due to this rate of evaporation increases that results in increase of vapor pressure until a stage reaches where the vapor pressure of the liquid becomes equal to atmospheric pressure. At this stage, the liquid starts boiling. Hence, boiling point is defined as the temperature of which the vapor pressure of liquid becomes equal to the atmospheric pressure or any external pressure. The increase of vapor pressure of diethyl ether, ethyl alcohol, and water with the increase of temperature. At 0 degree C, the vapor pressure of diethyl ether is 200 mm Hg, of ethyl alcohol 25 mm Hg, while that of water is about 5 mm Hg. When they are heated, vapor pressure of diethyl ether increases rapidly and becomes equal to atmospheric pressure at 34.6 degrees C. While vapor pressure of water increases slowly because intermolecular forces of water are stronger. And the boiling point of the liquid depends upon the following some factors. Start. Number one is nature of liquid. Number two, intermolecular. Number three, external pressure. Number one, nature of liquid. The polar liquids have higher boiling points than that of non-polar liquids because polar liquids have strong intermolecular forces. Boiling points of a few liquids are given in the shown. Number two, intermolecular forces. Intermolecular forces play a very important role on the boiling point of liquids. Substances having stronger intermolecular forces have high boiling points because such limits attain a level of source in the certain point and depend on it with the other weather and doing. Number three, external pressure. Boiling points of a liquid depends upon external pressure. Boiling points of liquid is controlled by external pressure in such a way that open the right ways of boiling points, and some boiling points is temperature is saturated high and heat is less than in boiling points of some accelerations, but the curtain boiling points have some more info levels, and the figure it can be increased by increasing external pressure and vice versa. This principle is used of working pressure cooker, and which I tell you if about external pressure experiment to use when you use pressure cooker, then you see the external pressure in pressure cooker. So friends, how is my topic today about boiling point? If you like it, so also please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. So now I am going to my new topics. Take care. Allah Hafiz. We will meet our next new best topics. Take care. Allah Hafiz.